Traineeships Learner of the Year engagement, Nicole Evans. A serious back injury unexpectedly helped 18-year-old Nicole Evans from Bangor to discover an exceptional talent. Nicole first enrolled at Coleg Menai on a hairdressing course. However, severe back pain because of a spinal injury made hairdressing impossible. Reluctantly, she gave up and decided to try catering instead. After starting the traineeship, it soon became clear that Nicole had a real talent for cooking. Her flair was recognised at the Anglesey Arms Hotel in Menai Bridge during a placement. She now works there full-time, developing her skills and gaining qualifications. Dewi Evans. 18-year-old Dewi Evans from Tonneravile has secured a part-time job that he loves, based at South Wales Fire and Rescue Services headquarters in Llantrisant. Dewi left school with no qualifications and struggled with reading and writing due to his dyslexia. But thanks to a dedicated program for learners with autistic spectrum disorder, Dewi improved his communication skills. During the traineeship engagement program delivered by iTech Training Solutions, he demonstrated tremendous commitment and achieved a City and Guilds qualification in communication. Following a volunteer placement, Dewi now has a part-time job at the Fire Service headquarters. Andrew Lloyd. 19-year-old Andrew Lloyd from Conwy has found a job and a new hobby thanks to work-based learning. He went to learning provider A4E with little direction or focus, and living with ADHD and dyslexia meant that he lacked motivation and confidence. As part of his traineeship, A4E secured Andrew a work placement at Conwy Water Gardens, where his employer found him to be such an asset that they've offered him a permanent position. Since starting a customer service and communications program, course leaders have seen him grow in confidence and become a popular member of his group.